Today, I will be answering the very important question. How much do you need to know before becoming profitable? You don't need 10 strategies, you don't need like 20 indicators, you don't need so many things. But what are the things you need to know? You need to know the basic things of trading, and those are the things that will make you become profitable. The very most important thing is the movement of the market. You need to know what exactly is market structure. In your own terms, you might not call it market structure, but you need to know the direction of the market. That's just the point. And secondly, you need to know how to have a good entry. You need to have a good entry to enter into the market, and you also need to have a good exit. You need to know when to take your profit and run, and where you can also take your loss. So, aside from these things, you need to learn risk management. And risk management is not about how much you always risk only. You need to learn about how much you can protect from the market so that you'll be able to come the next day and trade. So you need to learn how to protect yourself from the market. And lastly, you need to learn psychology. So when we are talking about psychology, what it entails so many things, but I will only talk about a few of them, which is you need to learn when to close the chart and walk away. It is very important. You need to learn how to stay calm when things are going well. When you are profitable, week after week or day after day, you need to learn how to stay in control and not overdo. And you need to also know how to control yourself when things are going wrong. When things are not going your way, you need to also learn how to stay calm. So I'll call these things psychology. You need to learn how to follow your rules. And also, you need to learn how not to panic, either when things are going well or when things are not. So these are things about psychology. But what is more, it being said that someone who practices one skill 1,000 times is far much better than someone who has 1,000 skills. So what do you need to know? Well, you need to master, if it is only one setup, you need to master and you can execute it very well. You are okay in trading. Trading does not give money to the smartest person, but it only pays those who are disciplined enough and patient enough in the market. So these are the things you need to know about trading. You don't need to over smart or outsmart the market. Just be calm, manage yourself, manage your emotions, and stay consistent. So with this, you'll be able to become profitable.